Hello everyone, in this video we will solve questions that were asked for grade 3 in the National Science Olympiad from the logical reasoning section. So let's get started. Let's look at the first question. The first question is there on your screen. This is a question on analogies. So you are given a road, a car and water is given, and there is a question mark symbol also given. So how will you read this question? The question can be read as road is related to car in the same way as water is related to dash. If you do not understand what these symbols stands for, please refer to the concept videos on analogies. So we can read this question as road is related to car in the same way water is related to dash. What would be your answer? Road is related to car in what way? Car runs on the roads. Similarly, what will run on water or what will go in water? Ship. Yes, ship goes on water. Similarly, a boat will go on water. A sailboat will also go in water. So what will be your correct answer option here? Your correct answer option here will be all of these. Road is related to car in the same way water is related to all of these options. The correct answer here is option D. Next question. Which of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? Let's look at the options here and then cross check. The first option is square. Is square there in the given figure? Yes, square is definitely there. All these are squares. See, all of these are squares. You have a square here, here, this is a square. So square is definitely there in the given figure. Let's look if triangle is there. Can you see a triangle anywhere in this figure? No. So obviously triangle has to be your answer. But let's just check the other options also so that we are sure. Rectangle. Yes, rectangle is there. See, this is a rectangle. These windows are rectangle. Then for circle you have circular wheels. So which is the one which is not present in the given figure? The shape which is not present in the given figure is definitely triangle. That is option B. Next question. Which of the following belongs to group X? Can you see something common about the numbers given in the group here? You have 24, you have 92, you have 48, 86, 60 and 18. All the numbers in this group X are even numbers. That is one thing that you can see which is common about all these given numbers in this group X. So which of the given options can belong to group X? It obviously has to be option C, 70, because that is the only even number that is there in the given options. So your correct answer has to be option C, 70. Next question. So let us first try to write down the information that is given to us and then we will find out the answer for the question. So there are three people here who are standing in a line. So let us assume that they are standing like this, okay, facing this direction, facing upwards. So this is the first person who is standing in the line, this is the second person and this is the third person in the line. It is given that Siddhak is not last. So Siddhak cannot come in the third place. Siddhak cannot come here. What does that mean? That means that Siddhak has to be either in the first place or in the second place. The second line states that Kavleen is standing before Siddhak. So if Siddhak is here, okay, if Siddhak is standing somewhere, Kavleen is standing before him, that is ahead of him. So here already I know that Siddhak cannot be the third person and Kavleen has to come before Siddhak. So where will Kavleen be and where will Siddhak be? This has to be Kavleen and this has to be Siddhak. And who is left now? Trishika is left. Trishika will be here. This will be our arrangement. Now what is the question? Which girl is standing at the first place in the line? Who is the one who is standing at the first place in the line? Obviously it's Kavleen who is standing in the first place in the line. So your correct answer here is option B, Kavleen. How did we find that out? See, it was very clearly given that Siddhak is not the last. So Siddhak cannot come here. Siddhak cannot come in the third position. So Siddhak either has to be in the first position or in the second position. And it was also given that Kavleen is standing before Siddhak. So that's how we got that Kavleen is the one who is standing first in the line. Next question. If sharpener means book, book means pencil. Pencil means eraser, and eraser means pen drive. Then what is used to write on a paper? How will we solve this question? Let us first try to understand what is given here. It is said that sharpener means book, or I can say that in a certain code language, a book is called sharpener. Similarly, when I say book means pencil, what does that mean? It means that in a certain code language, pencil is called as book. Or when I am saying book, I am actually referring to a pencil. So this is a question on chain coding, or it is basically a question on coding decoding. If you do not know the basics of coding decoding, please refer to the video lesson on coding decoding to understand it better. So here when they say book means pencil, pencil is called as book. Now the question is, what is used to write on a paper? Usually what is used to write on a paper? A pencil is used to write on a paper. But here in this code language, what is pencil called? Pencil is called as book, because here it is said now book means pencil, or pencil is called as book. Your correct answer option here is option C. With this, we are coming to an end of the questions that were asked from the logical reasoning section. I hope all these questions that we solved was clear to all of you. If you have any doubts in any of these questions, please do let me know in the comments box, and I'll be happy to help you. And do subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. Thank you.